Hey guys, this is Shuman from ASA Technical. Today I am going to unboxing and review of Acer Aspire E15 E5-575-50RM laptop. First of all, already we have a laptop. We decided to take another laptop for our channel's convenience, and we have a lot of reasons for buying this another laptop. And one more thing, I bought it from offline market, and also I will tell you here the reason why I am not buying it from online. However, if you know the reason, maybe you might it be your desire to buy this laptop. I want to say something before unboxing and review. First of all, many thanks to all of our channel subscriber friends and viewer friends for your essential support. Thank you very much guys. Without your support, we could not reach this place today. We are promising that we will take our channel at more advanced level. We only need your support. Hopefully, you will help us in this way in the future. Many good wishes and many thanks for all of our subscriber friends. And one said to new viewer friends, please guys don't forget to subscribe our channel. Well, now let's unboxing it. I bought it from Tech City. It's around 33,195 INR. We got some useful gifts to buy from here. Wait, let me show you the invoice. As you can see, such as laptop carry case for Acer, laptop screen cleaning kit, optical mouse and headset for laptop. And I bought a 4 GB DDR4 memory for this laptop. It's written here as you can see. Alright, let's take a quick look at gifts. It's laptop screen cleaning kit. This is the optical mouse. This is the headset with microphone. Alright, this is the laptop carry case from Acer. Wait, let me show you. As you can see, here have been given Acer's logo. It looks pretty cool. Well, let's go back to the package. Alright, here shows its maximum retail price. On the side of the box, it shows the laptop series is Aspire. Model name is E15. Model number is E5-575-50RM. And color is Obsidian black. Alright, now let's take a quick look. After starting the laptop, I will tell you in detail about this laptop. Alright, here shows a little about its main feature and specifications, such as OS have been given Linux. If you want, you can install Windows on it whenever you want. If you don't know how to install OS, then tell them where you are buying it from. They will install OS in your laptop. You can also install OS yourself in your laptop by following our channel's tutorial. Alright, processor have been given Intel Core i5-7200U. This comes with 7th generation laptop CPU. Screen type HD Cinecrystal LED LCD. Alright, graphic processor have been given Intel HD Graphics 620. It comes with 4 GB GPU. Memory. Generally it comes with 4 GB RAM. Maximum support 32 GB type is DDR4 and HDD capacity have been given 1 TB. And this model comes with DVD optical drive. Connectivity features have been given wireless LAN 802.11a/c and Bluetooth, and it comes with HD web camera. Battery type is 4-cell Li-ion battery. Well, let's open the package. Alright, the package has been opened. Now, I am going to cut the seal and open the box. Alright, this is setup guide, and here shows the model number E5-575, and we can see the another model numbers. Alright, this is the International Traveler's Warranty, and this is from Federal Communications Commission Declaration of Conformity about this device. And this is the notice regarding Energy Star specifications for Linux OS. By pausing the video, you can clearly read about this. Alright, this is the power cord. And this is other part with the original power adapter. Its output voltage 45.03 watt, as you can see. Now let's go to the laptop. Alright, the Acer E15 lid may seem like brushed metal, but it actually plastic with a really nice finish on top that gives the illusion of an aluminium exterior. The shiny Acer logo complements really well with the surface. The same applies for the rest of the body, including the base, all plastic. The base has 4 large rubber pads, so the laptop won't slip around on a table or any other smooth surface. Alright, the laptop comes with 2 standard stereo loudspeakers near the 2 front base rubber pads. The battery pack is slim and easy to remove, while the easy access panels on the bottom can be removed by unscrewing 3 screws. So, RAM and storage upgrades are super easy as long as you have a simple Phillips head screwdriver. If you want to know how to open its back panel for battery replacement, CPU, RAM and storage upgrades, and also how to connect an external GPU with the laptop, then we will make a video about this later. On the left side of the laptop have been given a 5.5mm charging port, internal 9.5mm SATA DVD slim optical drive, a single USB 2.0 port and 3.5mm audio outlet for headsets. On the right side of the laptop have been given 2 3.0 USB port, an HDMI port, a VGA output, a GB Ethernet port, a USB 3.1 Type-C port, large cooling vents, and Kingston security slot. Alright, this is average GN panel 1080p laptop display. Honestly, the viewing angles are nothing spectacular. The Acer Aspire E15's 15.6-inch display provides crisp details and lively color, but it is a good 15.6-inch screen with enough brightness for you, but it is too glossy and it bends almost 180 degrees. Alright, the screen is quite flexible. It will protect the display from a little collide. Laptop screen hinges are very tight and its quality very good. It will protect the display from hunching. The tilt angle of the screen is above par considering the price of the laptop. The display has not come with anti-glare screen matte. If you want, you can apply it. Then the quality of the screen will increase and the screen will be scratch resistant. The laptop has a standard look which gives the screen of everyday use laptop. Alright, here shows a little about its main feature and technical specifications such as an HDMI port. About power off USB charging, that's mean power off USB charging allows you to charge mobile device using the designed USB port even when the notebook is off or in hibernation mode. Alright, the top of the display packs a 720p per 30fps HDR webcam for Skype and other similar live video chats, with flicker reduction option 50Hz or 60Hz, or you can set it in auto mode. Alright, let's talk about its audio feature. It comes with Acer True Harmony. It's a feature added to enhance audio similar to Dolby but without GUI. The laptop has been given the faster wireless facility. That is really awesome. But keep in mind that phase the battery will drain faster when the following things turned on, such as Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, but it is nothing because it happens in all laptops. The laptops have been given a USB 3.1 Type-C port. You can experience up to 10 Gbps transfer rate with the USB 3.1 Type-C port, up to 20x faster than USB 2.0, 12x faster than FireWire 800, and 2x faster than USB 3.0. Alright, let's talk about its CPU. The Aspire E15 comes with Core i5 7th generation CPU from Intel. Its normal clock speed 2.50 GHz and turbo boost up to 3.10 GHz. It's really awesome. And let's talk about its GPU performance. E5-575-50RM comes with Intel HD Graphics 620 GPU from Intel. Its memory capacity 4 GB. If it's bought from online, then it comes with 2 GB. Next, let's talk about its RAM. The E15, this model comes with 4 GB DDR4 memory. Its maximum memory capacity 32 GB. Such as I have upgraded 4 GB DDR4 memory in this laptop. Now its total memory is 8 GB DDR4 and its HDD capacity has been given 1 TB. Alright, now let's talk about its touchpad. Its touchpad comes with very user-friendly respectively sized 4.1 into 3.0 inch, and the touchpad has given a beautiful chrome finish, which is more enhance the look of the touchpad. And this area comes with a brushed aluminum coating, but is not on the whole body. Alright, the E5-575-50RM has been given Intel Core i5 7th generation processor, from which it can be assumed about its speed. Now let's talk about its keyboard. Its keyboard comes with very user-friendly and numeric pad is included on the keyboard. So the Acer E15 laptops follow a full keyboard layout. Here the power button just above the numeric keyboard. The E15's keyboard also passes my day-long test. Its keys respond with the right amount of pressure for hours of comfortable typing. Alright, let's boot up. Yeah, as you can see, the first boot was very fast. It took like 10 to 15 seconds for the user visuals to appear. Yeah, as you can see, Windows 10's start menu is doing a great job at the start. However, now let's talk about its device driver. Now, I am going to insert its device driver installation media. Optical device read speed and write speed 7200 RPM. Yeah, it's really very fast. Alright, here you will get the latest version driver softwares for your laptop. But keep in mind, these are all just for Windows 10. And one more thing, keep in mind that this laptop is the best for Windows 10 and above higher version of Windows 10 because Windows 8.1 and Windows 7 is not fully supported in this model. Alright, now let's take a look at performance table from Task Manager. And let's talk about its GPU performance. As you can see, from GPU tab, E5-575-50RM comes with Intel HD Graphics 620 GPU from Intel. Its memory capacity 4 GB. As you can see, from CPU tab, processor have been given Intel Core i5 7200U with clock speed 2.50 GHz. Now its current speed shows 3.08 GHz. Now let's take a look at memory tab. As you can see, it has 8 GB installed. Now its current speed shows 216 MHz. Now let's take a look at HDD status. As you can see, it has Toshiba's hard disk and its capacity 932 GB and another is my external HDD. Alright, now let's take its gaming performance. As you know, one of the Acer Aspire E5-575G best features is the NVIDIA GeForce 940MX 2GB graphics card. But honestly, I want to say that NVIDIA's graphics is best all the time. But do you know that Aspire E5-575G, these models obviously this card is not Nvidia's latest and greatest. Yeah, that is true. That means in this case, just for the name of Nvidia, people love it so much. But if you look at the other side, then the Acer Aspire E5-575-50RM comes with Intel Full HD graphics 620 with 4 GB capacity. Its capacities are 2 GB more than of Nvidia 940MX, and Intel Full HD 620's graphics quality is good enough. As you can see, 65 GB's game like GTA 5 can play easily in this laptop, and the GTA 5 game is running very smoothly and graphics quality looks much better. And guys, I have shooting this video with mobile camera, that's why the quality of the video is not better. So guys, sorry for this video quality. If you want to buy this laptop only for gaming, although it contains the Nvidia 940MX GPU or the Intel Full HD 620 GPU, then honestly I want to say that this is not a heavy gaming machine. If you move to recent such as COD, Battlefield, Hitman, etc., you can get the games to run by turning down the graphics quality to low, albeit at slightly less than optimal frame rates 30 to 40 FPS. Alright, now let's talk about its battery performance. The Acer Aspire E5-575-50RM notebook latest over 6 hours during our battery test, which involves web surfing over Wi-Fi. However, the Acer Aspire E5-575-50RM is well designed with great for the price. The GPU and CPU are solid choices, and in the price range provide some serious kick. You will recently be able to run just about any game out there currently in some kind of graphics setting. Ultimately, the Acer Aspire E5-575-50RM is a competent machine that offered much more than I expected, especially at this low price range. Alright, now let's talk about why I'm not buying it from online. If you buy it from online, you will have to pay 38,980 INR with delivery charges. But even then, you will not get some of the main feature and technical specifications such as 8 GB RAM, 4 GB GPU, Windows 10 Pro, Microsoft Office Pro, etc. And some useful gifts which I saw at the beginning of the video. I bought this from offline. It's around 33,195 INR and I saved 5,785 INR and I got all these things. That's why I'm not buying it from online. So the Acer Aspire E5-575-50RM is not just a good budget laptop, it's a good laptop overall. So this Acer Aspire E5-575-50RM can be a great choice for you. We hope you will like. Of course, let us know your opinion. If you have any questions, then please let us know. Please like, comment, share. We need your support. And guys, please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.